Is SAP 2025 deadline real? If you use SAP ERP software and you are not using SAP S/4HANA, you are on a deadline. A deadline that was recently extended to 2025, but still, the clock is ticking. SAP will continue to offer support for its ERP software until this clock runs out. But then support stops, and those businesses that want support from SAP will need to migrate to SAP flagship ERP software, S/4HANA. Described by SAP as its biggest launch in 23 years, possibly ever, this new ERP suite will run exclusively on SAP's own database, HANA. Previously, SAP's software worked with a number of databases, including Oracle, but businesses migrating to the new system will also need to migrate their entire database. SAP is keen to nudge its customers down this route, and to incentivize them, it has set a 2025 deadline. Earlier this year, it announced that it had almost doubled the number of customers using S/4HANA from 5,400 to 7,900, but as the company serves over 250,000 businesses, it's understandably keen to have a bigger chunk of them using their database rather than others. Is this a real deadline that businesses need to adhere to? Let's, for a moment, assume that it is and that the only option open is to move to S/4HANA by 2025. Even though 2025 seems quite some time away, much of the advice is to start preparing now. Smaller businesses may be able to wait a couple of years, but larger enterprises need to act now. There are a few choices available to businesses. If the current SAP setup is not excessively customized, then it may make sense to convert to S/4HANA. If not, then a full reimplementation might be necessary. Or it may even be an opportunity to move from SAP to another provider, such as Oracle or Microsoft. If the business decides to stick with SAP, then there will be a need for new infrastructure. S/4HANA requires HANA as a database, which in return requires Linux, the only operating system that runs HANA. The business needs to set up a proof of concept to map and prototype critical business processes that will be migrated to the new setup. They need to decide whether the infrastructure they will use will remain on-premise or move to the cloud, and whether this will be private, public, or hybrid. The process of migration is not quick, nor easy, nor cheap. Time will need to be spent not only on the migration, but also on testing the migration and training users on how to use the new software. The migration may also remove one of the main advantages of SAP, its flexibility, working with the hardware and software combinations that businesses are comfortable using. HANA is an innovative, in-memory database, making it faster, but it is nowhere near as mature as other solutions. Businesses may feel, quite rightly, that they would prefer the mature, reliable database options over the newer, if quicker, HANA database.